Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. Welcome back to ICT class. Today we are going to see types of computer. In last class I taught you about what are the parts of desktop computer. Now we will see what are the types of computer. So based on size and shape, computers are divided into so many types. Okay. So the first and foremost type that we are going to see is desktop computer. I hope many of you and most of you might have seen this. This desktop computer is also called as personal computer. Okay. So what is this desktop computer is all about? So the desktop computer is a computer that is kept in one place, that is kept on a desk. So it is called as desktop computer. So this desktop computer have mouse, monitor, keyboard and CPU. Okay. So this desktop computer is big in size. We will not be able to carry from one place to another. Okay. Whereas the next type of computer that we are going to see is a laptop computer. So what is this laptop computer is all about? Laptop computer is a small form of desktop computer. Okay. So this laptop computer has screen, touchpad and keyboard. All these things are put in one component and we call them as laptop computer, and this laptop computer can be carried anywhere and it is easy to carry and we can take it to anywhere and we can work there. Okay. So that is the difference between desktop and a laptop computer. Okay. So the next computer that we are going to see is a tablet. So what is this tablet is all about? Tablet is also a form of computer that is a mini in size. So as compared to laptop, tablet can be carried in our single hand. It will be of our notebook size or small book size. Okay. Tablet have the facility to call, we can listen to music, we can play games. So all these things can be done with the help of our tablet. What are the parts that is available in our tablet? So the only touch screen is the part of tablet. Okay. So the next device that we are going to see, that is the next type of computer that we are going to see, is a smartphone. So what is the difference between tablet and a smartphone? The smartphone is smaller than tablet. Okay. So with the help of smartphone, we can call people, we can connect our smartphone to the internet and we can browse, we can Google it. So it is a kind of computer, but it is very small in size. So that can be carried within our palm. Okay. So that is very small in size. So what is a part that is available in our smartphone? Touch screen is the only part that is available in our smartphone. So as I told in tablet, similarly with the help of a smartphone, we can listen to music, we can watch videos, we can call others, we can connect our smartphone with the internet and we can browse information that is unknown to us. Okay. So these are the uses of smartphone. So wearable computers are the computer that can be worn. Okay. I hope you might have seen some smartwatch. Okay. So what are the smartwatch? It look like a watch, but it can perform additional operation also, like measuring our temperature, calculating the distance that you walk. So all these things can be done with the help of smartwatch. So smartwatch is also a kind of computer. Okay. And the last and most powerful computer is supercomputer. So what is the supercomputer is all about? The supercomputer is very big in size and it can perform all operation at very high speed. Okay. So for that we use supercomputers. So generally supercomputer will not use for our personal use, that is used for some commercial uses, that is big companies, they use supercomputer for some powerful work. Okay. So these are the computers and these are the types of computer that we deal in our day-to-day life. So I will summarize what we saw today. Okay. So what we saw about types of computers. So first type is a desktop computer. So desktop computer is also called as personal computer and it is, we kept desktop computer on desk. Okay. So that is why we call them as desktop computer and it cannot be carried around. Okay. So the next type of computer that we saw is a laptop computer. So laptop computer is also similar to desktop computer, but it can be carried around and it is very light in weight. Okay. And the next type of computer that we saw is a tablet computer. So the tablet computer have only touch screen as its part and it also can be carried around. Okay. And the last type of computer that we saw is a smartphone. So what is the smartphone is all about? Smartphone, with the help of smartphone we can call others, we can listen to music, we can play games, and we can connect it to our internet, and we can search the information that is unknown to us. Okay, and the most advanced type of computer is a wearable computer, that is a smartwatch kind of computer. Okay, so with the help of it we can not only use it as a watch, but also it can be used to measure our body temperature while moving. It is used to measure our footsteps, etc. Okay, and the last and the most powerful type of computer is a supercomputer. So supercomputer is the most powerful type of computer which is used to perform all operation at very high speed. So that is not used for a personal use, it is mainly used for a commercial use. I hope types of computer chapter is clear to you all. Now let's move on to a book back exercise. So the first, match the computer with their name. So here they have given the pictures and here they have given the name. So you need to match the computer with the name. Okay, the first one is a tablet. So you need to match it to option 5. Okay, and the second one is a smartphone. So you need to match it to smartphone. And the third one is computer, that is a desktop computer. So you need to mark it to option 4. And the fourth one is the laptop. So you need to mark it to option 2. And the fifth one is the digital, that is a wristwatch, that is a wearable computer. So you need to mark it as option 3. And the last one is a supercomputer. So you need to mark it to option 1. So this is the thing that you need to mark. Okay. Write T for true and F for false. Tablet computers can be used to play games or study lessons. Yeah, that is correct. So you need to write T. A laptop is larger than desktop. No, that is the wrong one. Desktop is larger than laptop. So you need to mark it as F. Smartphone have touch screen. Yeah, that is true. So you need to mark it as true. That is T. Wearable computer can be worn like a wristwatch. Yeah, that is also correct. So you need to mark it as true. That is T. Supercomputer are very powerful. That is also true. You need to mark it as T. These next exercise, tick the correct answer. These computers can be carried around. So desktop, they have given desktop and laptop. So laptop can be carried around. So you need to tick laptop. Okay. These computer have touch screen. So which computer have touch screen? Tablet and smartphone have touch screen. So you need to tick smartphone. These are smaller than laptop. So tablet is smaller than laptop. So you need to tick that. These can be worn like a wristwatches. So what are they? They are wearable computers. So you need to mark it as option B. They are large and powerful computers. So what is large and powerful? They are a supercomputer. So you need to tick them. A laptop computer has a touchpad. So you need to tick touchpad. Okay. So here you have a fun time activity for you. So ask people around you using smartphone or a tablet the following question and write them what you learn. How do this device help them in their work? So that you need to ask your friends, your family members, and you can fill it out answer to this question. Do they use their tablet computer for entertainment? Do they use their smartphone to connect to the internet? If yes, why? So these are the questions that you can check with them and you can write the answer here. Okay. Next exercise, have you seen tablet or a smartphone being used for learning? Is this possible? Discuss this with your class teacher. Actually, this you can write it on your own. So you can write what are the uses of tablet and a smartphone that is used for your learning. So maybe most of you might have watching your video lessons, attending your online classes through this smartphone and a tablet, right? So that also you can make a note of it here. Okay. Next, the third exercise is collect the pictures of different smartphone and tablet, make them a collage. So here you can collect the pictures of different smartphone and tablet that you see on papers, anywhere you can collect and you can paste it here. Okay. So this is also homework for you. So from page number 32 to 33 you have homework. Okay. So you need to complete this at home. I hope types of computer chapter is clear to you all. Kindly go through your text and do your homework, and we'll see you in the next class.